Hello student, today we are going to discuss the explain number 5th of operating system, that is paging technique. So first of all we will discuss what is virtual memory and what is memory management, then we will discuss paging. So virtual memory means what? So virtual memory, it is a technique with the help of that operating system is going to use the physical memory which are available for the storage purpose. Okay, so what is the use of memory? Memory is used by operating system to store a particular data. Okay, that could be system purpose and user purpose data. Okay, now in computer operating system, the paging is one of the memory management scheme. With the help of that, computer store and retrieve a data from secondary storage for use in for load into main memory for the execution. Okay, so uh, in virtual memory or paging, what we can say that main memory is already full, or what we can say that there are lots of data whenever available on the main memory. At that time the performance is might go low. Okay, so to overcome these things, those processes doesn't require, okay, or they have in the hold and wait condition. At that time operating system put out these things, processes into the secondary storage, that is in the virtual memory. Okay, so the thing is that the operating system retrieve data from secondary storage in the same size or same block into the main memory, and that thing is called as paging. Okay, so the processes which is to be retrieve, what we can say that the processes which is to be uh, copy and paste into secondary storage and then again retrieves same process, that is from secondary storage to the main memory, that thing is called as paging. Okay, now the basic method for implementing paging technique involves breaking a physical memory into fixed size block called as frame, and breaking a logical memory into blocks that is the same size is called as pages. When a process to be executed, its pages are loaded into any available memory frames from their source. So what we can say that there are number of processes which are available. Suppose 10 processes which are available, and out of that 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, these four processes, these five processes are going to be executed by the operating system or CPU. But remaining five processes, that are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, okay, these five processes are hold and wait condition. Okay, that require a particular resource which is to be already taken by another process. So here operating system what does, operating system uh, copy these things, processes and put or paste into the secondary storage, that is called as virtual memory, and again retrieve these things into the same block, that is this thing is called as paging. Okay, now we can going to discuss this thing with the help of another way, that are coding. We can also see the things with the help of coding, that are just we can see here. Here we declare the page max array, then here we are going to declare the variable I and f, ps and off and page number. So here we are going to enter the number of pages in the main memory, then scanf for the get the detail pages from the main memory, enter the page size of particular pages, number of frame whatever the require for processing. Then here we are going to for we are going to use the for loop from I is equal to 0 to I less than up to n. So what is n over here? N is nothing but the number of pages in the main memory whatever available. Okay, so in this way we are going to perform the page table and what we are going to do, we are going to perform the paging techniques onto the main memory. Okay, so thus in this way we perform the uh, paging, or what we can say, virtual memory concept. Okay, so virtual memory, what we can conclude over here, virtual memory, it is a memory which is to be used by operating system to perform, or to what we can say that to excel or to increment the performance of the main memory. With the help of that, the performance is go high. Thank you.